Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can fix this error. Here you can see it. The action can be completed because the folder or file is it is open in another program. So how we can fix this error? First we need to go to our search tab. Just click here and you need to write in search tab group. Here you can see edit group policy. So just click on it. Here you choose administrative and choose Windows components. And here in Windows components you choose File Explorer. Here you can see it. Also, if you have not Windows 10 but Windows 8 or Windows 7, it can be a folder with name Windows Explorer, not File Explorer. And here in File Explorer you just click on File Explorer and here you will see third, turn off the caching of some thumbnails in hidden thumbnail.db files. So just right click on it, on this third, and just click edit. So here you choose enable and just choose apply and OK. So now you just need to restart your computer and everything will work and you won't see this error again. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.